Good morning, students. Welcome you to the second chapter Working with Layers in Animate CC 2019. In our earlier class, we have discussed about the layers, how to select a layer, how to insert a new layer, how to rename a layer, how to lock or unlock layer, how to show or hide layer, and how to delete a layer. Today, we will discuss how to creating a background. To creating a background, user have to follow the given step. Step 1, create a new file by selecting new from file menu. Now select rectangle tool. Then next, draw a sky and fill blue color in it using pen bucket tool. Step 4, select the sky, choose the color option from the window menu. Step 5, select the linear gradient option from the color type drop down list. Step 6, double click on the pointers below the gradient definition bar and adjust the gradient by sliding the pointers. Use the gradient transform tool from the tools panel to color the sky. Step 7, select the sky and choose modify then group option to group the sky. Step 8, select the rectangle and pencil tool and draw the grass. Fill green color using the pen bucket tool. Step 9, group the grass using the shortcut key Ctrl plus G. Step 10, select the rectangle tool and create soil below the grass. Fill brown color in it. Step 11, adjust the color blends of the gradient in the soil. Now group the soil. Step 12, rename the layer as background. Now how to draw a planche. User have to follow the given steps. First step, create a new layer and rename it as planche. Step 2, draw the plant using line, oval and various tools from the tools panel. Step 3, fill the color in different parts of the tree using pen bucket tool. Step 4, click on the selection tool and select the flower. Now group it by pressing Ctrl plus G. Step 5, similarly select the rest of the parts and group them using Ctrl plus G option. Step 6, select the flower and press F8 to convert it into symbol. Means F8 key is used to convert into symbol. Select movie clip from the dialog box that appears and click OK. Step 7, right click on frame 2 and select insert keyframe option from the content menu. Repeat this step for keyframe 11 and 20. Step 8, drag the playhead to frame 20 and right click to select create classic twin. Step 9, select the flower and then click on frame 2 and select free transform tool from the tools panel. Step 10, rotate the flower in clockwise direction using free transform rotation handle. Step 11, drag the playhead to frame 11 and click on the flower. Now rotate the flower in anti-clockwise direction using rotation handle. Now how to creating a sun. Step 1, create a new layer and rename it as sun. Step 2, draw sun using oval tool and fill yellow color inside. Now next, how to drawing arrows. To draw arrow, user have to follow the given steps. First, create a new layer and rename it as arrows. Step 2, draw an arrow using line tool and fill red color inside. Group it using Ctrl plus G. Step 3, press F8 and convert it into a symbol. Place it as shown. Step 4, insert keyframe at frame 8, 18 and 26. Step 5, click on frame 1 and set the value of alpha to 0 from the style drop down menu in the color effects section. Step 6, click on frame 8 and insert a keyframe. Step 7, change the value of alpha to 100 in frame 8 and move the arrow slightly forward. Now right click to select the create classic twin option. Step 8, click on frame 18 and move the arrows a bit further and right click to select the create classic twin option. And the last option, step 9, click on frame 26 and move the arrow a bit further. Now set the value of alpha to 0 and right click to select create classic twin option. And the last point is how to create water droplets and minerals. User have to follow the given steps. Step 1, create a new layer and rename it as water droplet. Step 2, using oval tool to create a water droplet, place it where the root begins. Step 3, now convert the droplet into a symbol. Step 4, insert a keyframe at frame 5 in the timeline panel. Step 5, now insert keyframe at frame 10 and drag the droplet along the path to the place where you want the droplet to set. Stop. Step 6, on the timeline, right click on the frame between 1 to 10 and right click to select create classic twin option. Add more keyframes and change the position of the water droplets to show the movement towards the stem of the tree. Step 7, now add more layers and repeat step 1 to 6 to add more water droplets. Step 8, now press Ctrl plus enter to test the animation. Class, this is completely a practical approach. We will do this in the computer lab. Thank you class for watching it.